Okay, good morning, everyone. Today we will be presenting about our mini project. The title of our mini project is Automatic Traffic Light Control System for Urban Area, and we are from 007 System Electronic. This is my group members, Eric Dominic, Iskandar Tajuddin, Elizia Naksapari, and myself, Benel Victor. So next. So this is our table content. So the first one is class diagram. Second one, use case diagram. The third one, sequence diagram. And the fourth is output of our prototype. So I will pass to Eric.
Class diagram is about a design class diagram that reflect the system architecture, showing all relevant class, the attribute method, and relationship. Okay, for the first class is a traffic light class. Okay, for the sub class is location, current color, time remaining, red duration, green duration, and yellow duration. So we using data type we using is string and integer. Okay. The second one is for relate to the traffic light is traffic light simulation. Okay. So the subclass for traffic light simulation is light one, light two, and light timer. Then the third one is main class. So main class about we allow the user when we type the username using data type uh, string. Okay. So this is explanation for the class diagram. So for the location is about the traffic light location. Then the current color is about we is about a traffic light. Then we have a red light, green light, and yellow light. Okay, for the time remaining, we using integer. So time remaining, we count down the traffic light color to red to green, then to yellow, then go back to the to red to red. Yeah. Then for the next one is the light one and light two. So light one and light two is about the traffic light in simulation now. Later we will show about this light one and light two. And the timer is about the timer we counting like when we update something like numbers like count to 10, then we will come down to 10 to 0, then it changed to color. Okay, now I will pass to Onel Vineverte to talking about a use case diagram.
Okay, thank you, Eric. Now I will be continue the topic. So for my topic is use case diagram. Use case diagram is to create illustrating the interaction between user and the system, highlighting all key use case. So next. So this is the use case. So for the operator traffic light, a person who configure and operate the traffic light simulation. So the user is the person who passing road using the traffic light. So uh, as you can see, the operator will log in login in account, and they will be enter the username and password and verify, so they can start to see the simulation. So the simulation will be running, and the user, the person who passing the road, uh, will be uh, will use the traffic light by the timer duration that are given. Uh, so as you can see the description here, the enter username to validate the username against the predefined list. The set timer duration to configure the red, yellow, and green light duration. The start simulation is to begin the traffic light operation with the configure settings. Return to configuration. Go back to the username and configuration interface. So I will pass to Iskandar. So Iskandar.
Thank you, Belen. For the sequence diagram, it's developed a sequence diagram for one primary use case showing the flow of interaction between objects in the system to achieve the intended functionality. Next, there's three part: user, mini project, test, and traffic light simulation. For the user, enter the username. Only the correct username can be accessed to the system. For example, me, myself, Eric, Venom, and Helazia are the only person can access the validate username. If other than that, if we enter the incorrect username, it will return the valid username. For the user, enter light duration. For the traffic for the mini project, check the username. Username is valid and proceed to create a traffic light simulation object. For the traffic light simulation, it's create the traffic light objects and start the timer. Traffic light changes its light color based on the countdown and updates to the traffic light simulation. Uh, Updates the GUI frame every second with the current color and the remaining time of each traffic light. Next. This is the before we enter the red light duration. For example, put for 10 seconds, and for the green light duration, we'll put for 15 seconds, and yellow light duration, we put 5 seconds, and enter the username. If the username are incorrect, it will access denied, and we can only access with the right username. And this is the output.
In conclusion, this system is a practical solution for urban traffic management and serves as a foundational tool for developing smarter and more sustainable cities. Future improvements could include integrating real-time traffic data, adaptive algorithm, and IoT devices for further optimization. Urban areas around the world are plagued by congestion, and this project offers a practical solution. Our automated traffic light control system aims to improve traffic flow and enhance urban mobility. This system is not just a theoretical model, it's a foundational tool for developing smarter and more sustainable cities. By automating traffic management, it reduces human error and ensures smoother traffic flow. Our benefit for this project is to reduce traffic jams. Second, improve time efficiently for commuters. Third, provide a scalable framework for future urban development. Thank you.
So now I'm gonna show our coding. So this our coding. Uh, yeah, like this. Then we will show our output for this coding. Okay, so this our coding for our topic traffic light, traffic light automatic. So it's all our coding. Then if we run our this coding, it will show like this pop up. Okay, like this. And if we enter our enter the data here, like all this is 5 seconds. Okay, when I put something else like name, it will access deny for the username. So this username need to our name. So for example, like my name is Eric. So it will show like this. It will count down to 5 to 0. So like green to yellow, then go back to red. Then this we have a button here for button to back to the our setting traffic light. So this all for us. Thank you.